Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a very easy lump-free fele amala. To make this amala, I'm gonna start by boiling some water. Normally when you make amala, you have to boil some water, then pour in the flour, but I'm gonna show you an easy way that will guarantee a lump-free amala. Once the water comes to a boil, I'm gonna mix the flour, the amala flour, with room temperature water. I will be adding the water in gradually until I reach the right consistency. If you are new to my channel or you are a returning viewer and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I post a video. Like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. The mixture is still too thick, so I'm going to continue to add more water until I reach the right consistency. It is looking good. I used almost 2 cups of water. This is the right consistency that you should go for. It should look like baby food. I'm gonna split the boiling water into 2 parts. Save this for later. The other one in the pan, I'm gonna pour the mixture and stir it continuously. So this is just gonna be a continuous process of stirring until the amala is formed, just the way you make akamu. The amala is going to go through some changes, so I'm just going to let you see the process so that when you experience it, you're not going to be alarmed and think it's not going to turn out good. Special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. You can also follow me on other social media platforms such as Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you. Oh, before I forget, I'm going to leave the link to the recipe in the description box. I'm also going to leave the links to other amala related recipes in the description box. As you can see, the amala has developed some lumps. Don't worry, this is what you call soft lumps. They're gonna dissolve. It's not gonna be problematic. Don't worry, you're gonna see everything. When I was younger, I lived in Ibadan for a few years, and during that time I was introduced to amala and I totally fell in love with it. Amala was always one of my pregnancy cravings. I love it so much. Whenever I travel to Lagos, I always look for the closest amala joint. I really love amala a lot. So I was curious. I wanted to learn how to make my own amala. So I have this friend that knows how to make amala. So I asked her to teach me how to make amala. So the process she put me through was really very confusing and a little bit complicated. I said, oh my God, just to make this simple amala. I'm not gonna lie, making of amala is not really easy. It requires some skills until someone showed me how to make a lump-free amala, because one of the things you worry about when you make amala is the lumps that develop. So after they showed me, I said, oh my God, it's very easy. As you can see, all the lumps have disappeared. So I'm just gonna continue to knead it against the wall of the pan, just like this. I'm gonna do this for a few minutes. That is how it is done traditionally. If you have seen anyone making amala, they take it off the heat, put it on the ground, sit on a small stool and knead it for a while until it is fele. To ensure that the amala is properly cooked, I'm gonna add in the hot water I saved at the beginning and let it cook for about a few minutes, maybe 5. After a few minutes, I'm gonna come back again and knead it some more. As you can see, it looks different, it looks done. So I'm just gonna continue to knead it until I'm satisfied. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you have already subscribed. Thank you. So amala is ready. In case making amala is very challenging to you because of the lumps, this is an easy way to make your amala, and it is lump free. Even a beginner will have success with this method. So whenever you want to make your amala, why don't you give this recipe a try? I promise you, you will not be disappointed. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.